This is a review of the Grilaz fine wood barbecue tools. The brand sent this to me so that way we can test and do a review. Are an amazing quality. Very durable. It's a precision polished stainless steel and then handcrafted wood handles. Here is the tongs. Also with the tongs, there is the spatula and meat poker. And then in the little box, you want to open that up?
Oh yeah.
There's also a very, very heavy duty, handy magnet hooks for all three utensils that you can just attach to your grill and then have your utensils hanging. So this is an amazing heavy duty, very durable stainless steel wood handle barbecue set.